In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a traffic ticket online in Edmonton. To get started, open your web browser and go to the City of Edmonton website at edmonton.ca. Once you're there, head to the section for traffic and bylaw ticket payments. This page gives you the official information you need, so it's a good idea to take a moment to read through it before continuing. That way, you'll understand the payment process and any important notes that apply to your ticket. As you scroll through the page, look for the section called How to Pay. This is where the city outlines the available payment options. From there, click on the bylaw ticket payment link to open the online payment system. This will take you to the page where you can search for your ticket and begin the payment process. On the payment page, you'll first need to enter your ticket number. Make sure you type it exactly as it appears on your ticket, since even a small mistake can prevent the system from finding your record. After that, enter your email address in the required field. Then type the same email address again in the confirm email field. This is usually used to help ensure your contact information is entered correctly, which can be important for receipts or payment-related communication. Once those fields are filled in, click the search button. The system will then look up your ticket information. Keep in mind that ticket details may not appear right away. According to the site, ticket information is typically available about 3 to 5 business days after the issue date shown on the ticket. So if your ticket was issued very recently and nothing comes up, you may simply need to wait a little longer and try again later. When your ticket information becomes available, you can move forward with payment. The site accepts several common payment methods, including Visa, Visa Debit, MasterCard, and American Express. Before submitting your payment, it's always a good idea to quickly review the details on the screen to make sure you're paying the correct ticket. After the payment is submitted, remember that it may take up to 2 business days for the payment to be posted. So if you don't see an immediate update, that's normal. Just allow the processing time indicated by the site, and that's how to pay a traffic ticket online in Edmonton.